welcome Fiona from VEVOR.
We're so excited to be here today. Thank you so much for having us. Tonight we will have a live demo and 3 stations set up over there. And we are proud to be a sponsor of the Heat Press Machines for Tonight's event. We are donating 10 machines to the organization.